Hey folks, today in this video we will learn about what are deals in Salesmate and how to manage them effectively. A deal is often termed as a sales opportunity, which are qualified leads that can be converted to deals. For instance, leads who desire a product demonstration or request a quote are the potential customers looking forward to converting and hence are your deals. Salesmate CRM has two different views, list view and the board view to manage your business opportunities and daily operations. If you notice keenly, the list view offers you to view all the pipelines irrespectively. Also, it allows you to quickly filter the deals as per the pipeline you select here. You can have a quick view of the deals like open or closed, deals which are closing this month or next month, deals you are following and the overdue deals. Moving further to My View or Shared View section that can be created using the funnel icon by filtering the deals and saving it as a custom view. Let's say you would like to filter all the deals which you could get through referral. Select the source as referrals and save the view by adding a custom name to it. You can also share the view if you want by simply keeping the checkbox ticked. That's it. You will notice a new view created is saved here and will be available hassle-free when you next visit the deal module. You can mark the view as your favorite using the star icon and get an easy reference. Create new deals right from the Add Deal icon. Fill in relevant data. You can also associate product and teammates to the new deal being created. While creating a new deal, if you need additional custom fields to capture deal-related information, you can click on Manage Field and create new custom fields. Or update the existing fields. Save the information and your new deal is now created. In order to manage columns, simply use the Manage Column icon and choose the field you would like to have in the deal list view from Deal, Contact and the Companies module respectively. Simply tick the fields you would wish to have in the view and click Cross to remove the fields that you do not want to see. You can also drag and drop the fields to arrange the appearance of the columns in the list. You can save the column settings either for all users for current view, which allows you and other users, if the view is shared, to see above selected columns when they switch to this view, or keep the new changes just for you. Now let's look at the board view, which has the Kanban view that quickly displays whether the deal is open, won, lost or rotten. The one new option you'll notice here is sorting the deals in ascending or descending order based on the fields like title, winning probability, value, owner, estimated close date, created at, last modified date and inactive days. The rest of the board view will depict the numeric representation showing total deals on your pipeline, total value is the accumulated deals on board, and the forecast value is the estimated value of its winning probability set by you at each stage. You can also check the summary of the deals in each stage with the total summation of the deal value in the given stage. With the Deals Action dropdown, you can customize your deal card, set default pipeline, mass transfer, delete and update your deals, manage the pipeline, import and export the deals, and view recently deleted records. Let us now understand each of them in detail. You can keep the visible information handy on the screen so that the focus remains on key areas. Custom Deal Card lets you add the fields from Deal, Contact and the Company module respectively that you can preview in the deal board view in just one click. You can also remove the fields which you do not want to see in the deal card. Once done, you can either save it for all pipelines or just the current one. If your process requires you to create a deal in a specific pipeline irrespective of having multiple pipelines in your account. With this, the pipeline that you select here will remain as a default at any point in time you create a new deal with the option to switch to another pipeline manually. With mass operations, let us understand each of these in detail. With the mass transfer deals, get your deals quickly transferred from one owner to another at ease. Choose the from user whom you would like to transfer ownership to another user. You may note here you will get the list of all active and disabled users. For instance, if you want to transfer all deals of Amanda to Jason, specify the condition using the and or condition. Say where the company is photo list. Click on search and the entire list of deals with the filter will showcase. Select the number of deals for mass operations and proceed with the transfer process. That's it. Your deals will be successfully transferred to the new user. Please note that the mass operation feature is subject to availability via profile permission assigned to a particular user. With mass delete, it lets you delete the deals in bulk by following the same process of selecting the right criteria and the condition. Mass update lets you update the existing deals in bulk. For example, if you want to update the tags of the deals of photo list company, filter the right deals and update them providing the right tag. To watch about the pipeline management and import or export deals, please watch the video shared in the comment section below. The last one is View Recently Deleted Records. It shows you the recently deleted records of contact, activity, deal, company, and the product. In case if you want to restore the data, then select the respective records and restore it. Or you can simply restore them all in just one click. Similarly, you can follow the steps for record deletion. That's not all. You can simply drag and drop the deals from the board view to quickly change the stage. You can also mark the status as won or lost by dragging the deal card and change the pipeline as per your requirement. With this, Salesmate helps you in minimizing the efforts in taking quick, uninformed decisions.
Subscribe to the Salesmate YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated on our new features, releases, and insightful videos.